Coordination number is the number of ligands which are attached with that of a central metal. If they are making sigma bond, only then it will be calculated. If there is any pi bond, that will not be considered at all. In the first case, there are two cyanide groups which are attached with silver. These two are ligands, so the coordination number is 2. In this case, FeC2O4, 3 negative charges, the coordination number is 6. Now, why the coordination number is 6 in this case? Because there are total number of 3 oxalate group and each oxalate group is didentate. That means it will be having 2 donor atoms. So the total coordination number that will become 6. Similarly, in the case of CO, En whole thrice with 2 positive charges, the coordination number is 6 because En is a didentate ligand. There are 2 donor nitrogen atoms, so the coordination number is 6. Now I will tell you about the charge on complex ion. When you will write the name of these compounds, or you will make the formula of these coordination compounds, you have to put the charge. The charge on complex ion is the algebraic sum of charge present on ligands as well as central matter. For example, in the complex Ni, NH3 whole 6, the charge carried on nickel is +2. The charge carrying on ammonia is 0. So the total charge on complex, it is a sum of these two, that will be 2. Similarly, I will take one more example. Suppose there is a complex CO, Cl, NH3 whole 5 with 2 positive charges. Now, in this case, the charge on cobalt, that is +3, chloride carry -1 charge, ammonia is having 0 charge, and there are 2 positive charges on the complex, so that is equal to 2. Now if we will calculate the charge on it, so that will comes out to be 2. Similarly, there is one more very important term, that is called oxidation number. We have to write oxidation number of central metal in parentheses. This oxidation number is calculated with the help of charge on complex. The central metal is taken as X. It is charge on ammonia is 0 and the charge carried by complex is 2. So the X plus 6 into 0, the charge will comes out to be 2. In the case of K4 FeCl6, the charge on potassium is 4 because there are 4 potassium. Each potassium carries +1 charge. The charge on iron we have to calculate, so that is written as X. Each cyanide ion carry -1 charge, so it is 6 into -1 and there is no charge on the complex, so that is equal to 0 and the X is equal to 2. This charge is written in parentheses in Roman number like this. Now, the next term, which is very much important in coordination chemistry, are coordination sphere. Whatever is enclosed in this square bracket, that is a complex, and this square bracket along with central metal and ligand is called coordination sphere. Whatever written outside, that is called counter ion. It is non-ionizable. It is a single entity, and this part is ionizable. It will make secondary valency and it will make primary valency. Now I will tell you about coordination polyhedra as well as homoleptic and heteroleptic only complexes.